welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try to get into school, so here we go.
And in case on fire.
There.
No, I don't think that's a good way. I don't think I'll be able to get that.
Let's walk around. I've never been to this school before. This is our first time seeing this, so.
Bro, all these schools look like so the same in the front.
Yeah. Well, we're going around the school to see if there's any roof entry points. We have possible one way to get up, but we're not 100% sure. But we're still gonna look. Oh, bro, is this the same all around?
Bro, if it is, I don't know. Nope.
Bro. Bro, what? They actually put a box around the pipes. Bro, they could have gotten up that way too.
Yeah,
The window's open.
No, we're not going into a.
Wait, guys, the windows are open.
Nope, not happening.
If we can't find any way, that's one way. Is that a camera?
No, what the heck is that?
I think that's a camera. What? Okay, let's keep going though. Or cardboarded up. Weird.
No, it's always like a storage closet. That's toilet paper boxes. Get up here.
Already a roof access. I'm gonna sit down real quick. Wait for Landon to come up. Pull. Thank you. I want to get this cool. Alarms anywhere?
Oh, this is so close to another one.
Hurry. It is so windy.
Oh, it's like a one-way trip.
Mm-hmm.
Go down, it'd be very hard to get down.
Okay, let's go to that roof access now. We need to hurry, okay?
So which one?
The roof access over there. I can't go down there because I won't be able to get back up.
Yeah, me neither. Let's go. Go. Shut it after us.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can't shut that. I don't know how to shut it.
Pull it down.
I know, but like I have to push it up and pull up.
Oh my gosh.
I would like a light.
Okay.
I cannot see. Oh, I think we just climbed into like septic.
Watch for alarms.
Let's go.
Oh, this is so cool. Watch for sensors. Oh my gosh. Let's go, boys. We're in another time. Imagine there's like a basketball game here.
There we go.
Yeah, dude, if there's a sensor. Dude, there's gonna be silent alarms. I feel like there's someone else here. Oh! Bro, I don't know where he went. We both went out different ways. I'm going. Oh my gosh. I don't know where he went. I see him. He's behind me though. Bro, that alarm. I don't even know how we set it up. Oh. Let's just keep going. He went out a different way than me. We split up. I went out like one of the front doors. He went out one of the others. My heart's beating so fast right now. This car better go. That was absolutely insane. The people that are probably gonna go check the alarms are probably gonna come down this main street right here. I need to pull off and hide somewhere. Okay. Bro! Oh.
Oh, you just left me in the dust.
Bro! You went out a different way.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get it out as fast as crazy.
Okay. Guys, that was absolutely insane. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.